It's time for another product quick view. Today we're taking a look at the Altelix NP17AV series enclosure. These are fan-cooled enclosures designed to provide indoor or outdoor protection for a wide range of audio-video devices. There's a look at the bottom of it. The cord is 5 feet in length. Has 2 latches. And it also has a tamper-proof locking screw, which is pretty nice. But underneath the screw you can also see you put a little padlock. There's the bottom of it, the knockouts. The back of it, as you can tell, it's enclosed. You can mount it 4 points onto the wall. And the hinges are pretty nice. It feels like a solid cabinet, little enclosure. Now we do also have plenty of other Altelix enclosures in stock, so if this one doesn't tickle your fancy, we probably have something that does. The instructions are included, which is pretty nice. Everything's well written, simple, easy to understand. And it also includes a mounting template, which is pretty nice. Helps make your install easy. Now there's a bag of goodies, some of the gaskets, screws, some other stuff that'll come in handy. Cable ties. Now there's the back mounting plate, as you can tell. And adjustable audio-video device mounting brackets. Can hold plenty of different sizes. Instructions, once again, comes in nice and handy. And you have two 120A C outlets. The fan is wired directly to it. You have a gasket that's all the way around the enclosure. And you have the top vent and the bottom one there. And it turns on at 100 degrees and turns off at 79. For more information and to order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.